For real?
That nigga was like,
That's what winning, nigga. Yeah. Train. What they talking about?
hold
What they
up,
talking about?
wait, hold up, no way, hold up, wait. Alright guys, so look, we got another quick repair here. Just see what we can do here. It looks brand new, so that's good. Connect to my Wi-Fi right quick just to ensure everything is working as should. Now you know I got my mouse, so.
Did you tell me about the practice sessions I set up for you?
Yeah, I did. I'm sorry.
What's going on?
So look. So this is where we're at thus far. I'm gonna set up my tripod. This is a good computer too, so there should be no reason why it keeps shutting down the way it is. Okay, now we're gonna sign in with the provided password. So it's E. Let me look at it so I make sure I'm typing it right. EC 3396 EC.
I was in the league. Start again. Almost everything, including my wife and kids.
Boom. Alright, so look, this is what we're gonna do first. We're gonna go straight to our settings here.
Going down the wrong road. This.
Scroll down to advanced. Definitely has something to do with Google Chrome.
We'll be here for 2 days.
Okay. So you're a man, huh? You go sell dope, huh? You think that makes you a man?
Why not, Mama? We ain't got nothing.
Boy, are you crazy?
Oh, you work like a dog, and what has it gotten you? You talk about God making a way. Mama, I'm not trying to die to get to heaven. I want mine here on earth.
Then you know what? You're gonna have to get out of my house then, huh? You think you grown? No. Get out.
Mama, where am I gonna go?
I don't want to hear it. I done done my best by you. I done tried. Get out.
Who's gonna help you with Lena and
Don't
Tasha?
you even worry about that, okay? I got that. I just want you just
No, I'm not going, Mama.
no child of mine is sell dope. You hear me? I ain't sitting up in here waiting
plug it out now. No thanks. Let's close down the tour and open up Chrome. Go to settings.
Anywhere convenience, everyday security. Bankers figured out. However you want it. Chase, make more of what's yours. We're Carvana, the company who invented car vending machines.
Okay, let's try to install.
Now we've created a brand new way for you to sell your car. Whether it's a year old or
Alright, so I've done a reset of your computer now. We're gonna try to attempt to install a different browser.
Wizardry calculates your car's value and gives you
As you can see, it's allowing you to do essentially everything you need to do.
your car. That's it.
Still under your account,
Say hello
I believe. Hold on, give me a second. Show in folder, just to show you everything is working as should. Just quickly install that right quick, just so we can extract Firefox and then install it for you. Boom, there we go. There it is. Yeah, so it looks like your problem's fixed. And look, notice you're not plugged into your cable at all. Problem solved. So let me go ahead and just go to Firefox. Now I don't exactly know how to install Firefox.
Like an extra 25% off a coupon. Ease into rich colors and cozy layers with our new fall arrivals. Knee jeans, time to stock up on Levi's. What a beautiful feeling. JC Penney.
ChromeBook. Okay.
This Monday and Tuesday, get 50% off everything online, only at oldnavy.com. At drive time, you can save $1,000 an hour to be down payment. Do you need a car?
Easy.
Yes, and I love saving money. We know, and when you get approved to get a car at drivetime.com, we'll show you your real down payment. But how real is the real down payment? Oh, it's real. As real as it's nothing. Oh, come on. That's too cute to be real. He is real. As real as your down payment at driveterm.com. It's really, really free. I love him so much. Go to driveterm.com, get approved, and see your real down payment and do it. Drive. Genius.
Some of us are not the same. Some of us see it.
That was a quick fix. Problem has been solved. Currently updating to the latest version of Chrome OS, which seems to be your problem. Yeah. You're welcome.